Hello dear students, I hope you all will be fine and shine. Today is our 8th lecture, lecture number 8. So in this lecture we will discuss three topics. Number 1, marble stone tiles and white cement quantity, and number 3, paint quantity. Okay. So first of all, we will find the quantity of marble stone tiles, and then white cement quantity, and then paint quantity. Okay, so let's start lecture. So for example, we have floor. Okay, and length of floor. For example, length of floor, for example, is equal to let's take 12 feet, and width of floor is equal to, for example, also 12 feet. Okay, we have a floor having length is equal to 12 feet, and width is also 12 feet. Okay, so first of all, you have to know that white cement mortar thickness is generally equal to zero point 0.5 inches. Okay, we will convert these inches into feet, so we'll divide by 12, so it will give, divide by 12 is equal to, will give 0.04 0.04166. Okay, this is the thickness of white cement mortar used in marble stone tiles. Okay, so now we have to find, first of all we have to find dry volume of floor. So it will be equal to having formula length into width into thickness. So dry volume will be equal to, length is 12 feet, width is also 12 feet, thickness is 0.04166. So it will be equal to 12, 12 into 0.01466. Okay, so it will give 2 point, we'll do again it 0.5 divided by 12, so multiply by 12 into 12 will give 6. Okay, 6 cubic feet. Dry volume is 6 cubic feet. Sorry, this is a wet volume. Wet volume. Okay, first we have to find wet volume, then we will convert wet volume into cubic feet of dry volume. So this is 6 cubic feet. Now we will convert wet volume into dry volume. So we will multiply by 1.54. Okay, sorry, 1.27. So we have formula: dry volume is equal to wet volume multiplied by 1.27 will be equal to wet volume is 6 into 1.27 is equal to 1.27 is equal to 7.62 cubic feet. Okay, this is dry volume, so now we will use this dry volume. Okay, so for marble stone we use marble powder and white cement having ratio is equal to 1:2. Okay, so 1 is equal to marble powder while 2 is equal to the ratio 2 is equal to white cement. Okay, so sum of ratio is 3. Sum of ratio is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so now we have dry quantity 7.62 and sum of ratio, and now we will find first we will find marble powder. So for that we have a formula: ratio of powder multiplied by dry quantity divided by sum of ratio. Okay, we have this formula. So now putting the values, so marble powder will be equal to we will put values. So ratio of powder is 1 multiplied by 7.62 is dry quantity divided by sum of ratio is 3. So it will give 2.54 cubic feet. Okay, now we have to convert cubic feet into bags of cement, so we will convert into bags. We will divide by 1.25. Okay, so bags of marble powder will be equal to 2.54 divided by 1.25 will be equal to 2 bags. Okay, 2 bags of marble cement quantity. Okay, cement bags will be equal to 2 bags marble powder. Okay, so now in the next step we have to find white cement quantity. White cement will be, we have to find this, so put values on the same formula. So white cement will be equal to ratio of cement is 2 from 1:2 into dry quantity is 7.62 divide by sum of ratio is 3, so it will give 5 cubic feet. 5 cubic feet. Okay, so now convert into bags, and now convert into bags of, so we have is equal to 5 divided by 1.25 will be equal to 4 bags. 4 bags. Okay, white cement. Generally, if you look to the ratio is 1:2, so marble powder is equal to 2 bags. So and white cement ratio is double of marble powder. So here 4 bags white cements will be required. Okay. Now in the third step we have to find marble stone tiles. Marble stone tiles will be equal to formula. So we have formula, number of stone tiles is equal to area of floor divided by area of one tile. Okay, one marble. Okay, we have this formula. So number of stone tiles will be equal to marble stone tile will be equal to, we have area floor is area of floor is equal to 12 into 12. Okay, length and width is 12, so it will be equal to 144 square feet, and area of one marble is equal to, for example, length of one marble is 1 feet, and width of one marble is also 1 feet. So area of one marble will be equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1 square feet. Okay, so now you have to divide, just put the values in the above formula. So number of marble tiles will be equal to, area floor is 144 divided by area of one marble is 1 square feet, so it will give 144 numbers. Okay, 144 numbers of marble. Okay, so wastages is also counting, so wastages will be equal to 5 to 10%. Okay, 5 to 10%. So for wastages we will take 10%, so 144 into 10% means 10 divided by 100 will give 14.4. 14.4 is equal to 15 marbles. So 15 marbles will be in wastages. Okay, so in our next topic we will find paint work quantity. Paint work quantity. Okay, so standard for double coat of emulsion. Let's paint work quantity. Okay, so standard for double coat of emulsion paint is equal to standard for double coat emulsion paint. So for example we have a wall, okay, and a length of each wall is 16 feet or somewhat whatever you want to take. For example, we have formula length wall is equal to number of wall into length of wall into height of wall. Okay, height of wall. This is for area formula, area of wall. So area of walls, for example, we have numbers is equal to 4 and length is equal to, for example, 16 feet and height, for example, 10 feet. Okay, height is 10 feet. So area of wall will be equal to 4 into 16 into 10. Okay, so it's equal to 40 square feet. This is area of wall. So now remember 2 points. Number one point is 1 liter of paint will cover 4.2 square meter. Okay, will cover 4.2 square meter. Or number second point is that in square feet, so 1 liter of paint will cover 45 square feet area. Okay, in square meter it will cover 4.2 square meter area, and in square feet it will cover 45 square feet area. Okay, 1 liter will cover 45 square feet area. Okay, so now emulsion paint required in liter. Emulsion paint required in liter, so will be equal to 1 divided by 45. Just simply do that. Area is 640 divided by and we have 45 square feet, means 1 liter will cover 45 square feet, so we will divide by 45. If our area was in square meter, for example, it was 4 100 square meter or 640 square meter, so then we will divide it by 4.2. now our area is in square feet, so we will divide by 45. Okay, so it will give 14.22 liter emulsion paint. Okay, means uh, if we have four walls and each having length 16 feet and height 10 feet, so that wall will require 14.22 liter emulsion paint. Okay, now we will convert liter into gallon. So for that, remember 2 points. Number first, 1 US gallon is equal to 1 US gallon is equal to 4.454 liter. Okay, and number second point is that one UK gallon is equal to 3.78 liter. Okay, so now we will convert liters into gallon. So convert 14.22 liters into gallon. Okay, so we have formula 14.22 divided by, we will divide it for example we want in UK gallon, so we will divide by 3.78 will be equal to 3.76 UK gallons. Okay, and in US gallons we will divide 14.22 divide by 4.54, so it will give 14.22 divided by 4.54 will give 3.13 gallon. 3.13 gallons. Okay, so by this method we can find paint quantity. So required quantities for paint work: required quantities for paint work are: number first, lime for whitewash 100 square feet will be equal to 2 kg. Okay, for 100 square feet area, lime will be used 2 kg. 2 kg lime will be used for 100 square feet area. Okay, number second, distemper distemper for 100 square feet will also use 2 kg. 2 kg distemper is also required for 100 square feet area. Okay, and number third, wall putty. Wall putty for 100 square feet is equal to 10 kgs. 10 kgs. Okay, 10 kg wall putty will be required for 100 square feet area. Plaster of Paris for 100 square feet for 100 square feet will be equal to 25 kg. 25 kg. Okay, and by this method, these are proved quantities, so you must have to note these points. Okay, from these points you can find lime quantities, distemper for any area. For example, now we will find distemper quantity. For example, we have an area, for example 640 square feet. Okay, and we know that the stump, and let clear this, we have to find the stumper quantity. So for this, will be equal to, we know that 2 kgs this timber will be required for 100 square feet area. So from this point we will 2 kg into 640 divided by 100. Okay, will give 12.6 kg. So for 640 square feet area, this timber quantity will be 12.6 kg. Okay, you can find also lime quantity by this method, just putting the values, and if you want to find wall putty, so just put 10 here instead of 2, so it will give wall putty quantity. Okay, so this was our today lecture, and I hope you all will understand it. If you anyone have a question, can ask within 2 hours. Okay, take care, bye bye. Thank you.